So here is the poofy jacket. It is brown, it's polyester, and it has a really nice light feel to it, so it's not too much. And it has a turtleneck to it as well. So I'm gonna put this on. So the size I have right now is a large. So it has these little buttons also at the bottom to tighten them up. So I'm gonna zip it up. And this is how it fits. It's really nice for the cold weather. So here's the drawstrings. If I pull it back, it makes the waist part tighter. Just like that. And it has a tighter feel around. And overall, I really like this jacket and it's definitely worth the price.